Okay. Once if you find this NFA to DFA, is it over? There is one more process that is known as minimization of DFA. Is there any possibility to reduce this DFA? That's why we have to check it. So there is a procedure for finalizing or to find out the possibility to minimize the number of states in DFA. Okay, let us take here. Here we are having one DFA which is constructed from NFA, right? When you are taking this, we have to find out what are the initial states, right? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 states are there. Which is the starting state? 1 is the starting state. Okay. And which are all the final states? 4 and 7 are final states. So when you are splitting it to stay into 2 groups, we can group like this. 4 and 7 are final states. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 are non-final states. Okay. Now we have to find out, is there any way to split that 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6 into further sets? So how can we do that? That's what we are going to see in this algorithm. For each group, we have to partition into subgroups such that 2 states are in same group if and only if they all have same transition, or if they all are moving to the same destination states on the input symbol A. For example, if you take 2 states and if you are reaching the same destination states on reading A, then you can say these 2 can be placed in a single group. Okay. So likewise, you have to find out which are all the states can be grouped, and then we have to replace that group into some new groups. Okay. So this is what we are going to see here. Let us see the first one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 and 7 are final states. So 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 are non-final states. Okay. Now let us see the table, transition table. Can anyone tell what are the symbols we are using here? So how many rows will columns will be there in this transition function? The transition function table, how many columns will be there? This is DFA. We are going to reduce it into or minimize this DFA. So,
Ma'am, are you
what are the
sharing your
symbols?
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen? Because I can't see it.
Yeah, I am sharing the screen, ma'am. Can
Okay,
everyone
ma'am.
see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, probably
Yeah.
my internet
Tell me
issue,
what
ma'am.
are the symbols? You please refresh it, ma'am. Can anyone tell what are the symbols to be present in the column, in the transition table? So the states are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. But when you are taking this symbols, what other symbols should be present here? Input symbols A, B, C. 1 on A, it is going to make it fast. 1 on A, it is going to
2.
2. Okay. 1 on B, no transition, no destination. Okay. 1 on C, no. Actually, we are having one more state, that is one more symbol, that is D. Okay. 1 on D, it is going to 5. Okay. So these are the transitions from state 1. From state 2, to 2 on A?
Going
No
over.
No. 2 on B?
3.
3. 2 on C?
No transition.
No. 2 on D, no transitions. Okay. From 3, only there is a transition to 4. Okay. And from 4, you don't have any transitions. Okay. From 5, on B, it is going to 6. From 6, on C, it is going to 7. From 7, there is no transition at all. Okay. Now, can you see any similarity in this one? 2 on B, it is going to 3. 5 on B, it is going to 6. Okay. So, shall we merge this 3 and 6 as a single state? Okay. To check it out, first we have to see what are the transitions from 3 and 6. 3 on C, it is going to 4. 6 on C, it is going to 7. So we have to check it out. Is there any possibility to merge these two? Okay. So if I want to merge these two states, I have to rely on this group. And if I want to merge these two, I have to rely on this one. So let's start with this one. 4 is having no transition. 7 is also having no transition. So instead of having two different states, I can make it as a single state. Okay. So let this be together as 4, 7. Okay. Now, if I make this as 4, 7, I have to make changes in this 3 transition. 3 on C, it is moving to 4, 7. I am renaming this state as 4, 7. Similarly, 6 on C, it is going to 4, 7. Okay. Let me cut this table, and instead of this, I am making this as 4, 7. So one state is reduced. Okay. Now, if you see the next transition, is it possible to combine these two states, 3 and 6, right? 3 and 6 are having same destination state on input symbol C. So we can merge these two states. So I can make this state as 3636. I can delete this. Okay. And here I am making this as 36. Now, wherever you are using 3, I have to replace it by 36. And here also I have to replace it by 36. Can you follow? Right. Now, we have to check it out. Is there any possibility to merge these two? 2 and 5. 2 on B, it is going to 36. 5 on B, it is going to 36. So, I can combine this 2 and I can make this as 2, 5. Right? So, this will be replaced. 2 will be replaced by 2, 5. And this also replaced by 2, 5. Wherever I am using, I have to replace it. So, now how many states we are having? The first state is starting state 1. So, we are having, right? 2 and 5 are merged, right? A also moving to, on input symbol A, it is moving to 25, and on input symbol D, that is moving to 25. So, A or D, it is moving to 2, 5, right? And from 2, 5 on B, it is moving to 3, 6. Yes. And 3, 6. From 3, 6 on C, it is moving to 4, 7. Clear? So, totally 4 states are there. Fine. So, this is the way to minimize DFA. So, what should I do for minimizing this DFA? Let's start with initial partition with 2 groups. One is final state and another one is accepting states or non-accepting states, or you can say it as final state or non-final states, right? Then you have to apply the split procedure. The split procedure is nothing but you can combine 2 states S and T. Let us have S and T And we can combine this only when if you have a transition on any input symbol A, if it is moving to the same state, right? Not only for single symbol, for all the symbols. For example, if it is having one more transition B on input symbol B, this is also having one more input symbol B transition, right? In here also it is moving to the same state, right? Some X, here it is moving to Y, right? So for all the transitions, for all the symbols, if these two states are having same destination states means, then we can merge these two states, right? So I can keep it in one single group. Likewise, you have to keep repeating, finding all these say similarity states, and then we have to combine it or merge it. Then you will make it as a subgroups as I did it. And the one what we are getting here is after minimization, the total number of states 7 is reduced into 4. Okay. Now, if you are given with one table, so this is the table for DFA. In the left hand side, we are having this DFA, and after applying minimization algorithm, we are getting this minimized DFA, right? If you want, you can draw the diagram here. A on input symbol small a, it is going to the state B, right? On input symbol B, it is going to C. B on input symbol A, it is going to B. So self loop. B on input symbol B, it is going to the states D, right? C on input symbol A, it is moving to B. Sorry, on input symbol A. C on input symbol B, self loop. D on input symbol A, it is moving to B. D on input symbol B, it is going to state E. And this state is taken as final state. So let me take like this. From E on input symbol A, it is moving to B, right? E on input symbol B, it is moving to C, right? Okay. Initially, all these states are placed here in a single group. Okay. First step is we have to split it into two states. One is final state, and these are all belonging to non-final state. Right. Now, if you see this transition itself, A is having similar transition, BC, right? Similarly, C is also having same transition to B and C on input symbol A and B. So, we can combine this A and C, right? When you are combining this A and C, so you will get this as new group. Okay. And when you are seeing B and D, is there any possibility to merge it? B and on input symbol A, it is going to B. D also on input symbol A, it is going to B. But here it is going to D, but here it's going to E, right? So we cannot merge it. So by seeing this table, we cannot go to the final grouping, right? So what you have to do is, out of all these A, B, C, D, again we have to find out which are all the states going to final states, right? So this D cannot be merged with any other state because this is having a transition on input symbol B to final states. So we can split it into two. D cannot be merged with A, B, C. That's why we are doing like this, right? Now we are having A, B, C in one group. Out of this A, B, C, A and C are having similar transitions, and B is having a transition from this group to another group, right, which is deviating from the other two. So we can combine AC as a single group, single state, and B as a separate state, D as a separate state, and E as a separate state. So when you are doing at each level, this is just splitting only. We are not merging anything here. Here also this is splitting and there is no merging. But at the time when you are going for merging in this state, what I have to do is, wherever I am having A, I have to replace it by AC. Instead of having two rows, I can have it as a single row. Right? Here, this can be replaced by AC. And here also it should be replaced by AC. Clear? That's why you are getting in this final transition table as AC on input symbol B, it is going to, on input symbol B, it is going to be, on input symbol A, it is going to be, on input symbol B, it is going to AC. B, on A, it is going to B, on B, it is going to D. Right? D, C is cancelled, so D on input symbol A, it is going to B, on B, it is going to E. Here we are having B and AC.